एक इंटरनेशनल स्टूडेंट लैंड होता है, ठीक है, लेट्स से समवन लैंड्स टू कनाडा, आपका पहला सजेशन क्या होगा?
आई थिंक लैंड तो छोड़ो, वो तो बाद बहुत लेट हो गया.
अच्छा,
मेरा तो पॉइंट है बिफोर इवन लैंडिंग,
Okay.
राइट? आई थिंक एटलीस्ट as soon as you know you want to move abroad, the first thing is before you even make a decision कि अच्छा मुझे जाना ही जाना है abroad. Abroad बोलने से अच्छा decide what country specifically and why. ये नहीं कि कनाडा जाना है क्योंकि ज़्यादा पंजाबीज हैं उधर, ये नहीं जाना है कनाडा क्योंकि मेरे रिलेटिव रहते हैं उधर, उनके साथ हाउसिंग सिचुएशन हो जाएगी, राइट? इट्स मोर अबाउट अंडरस्टैंडिंग, अच्छा मुझे जो फ्यूचर में जॉब करना है या मुझे जो भी इंसान बनना है इन द फ्यूचर, whoever that person is, whether you are the CEO of a company making X dollars, helping X people, वो जो भी आपका end goal है, does that particular country provide you with either opportunities, access to resources or anything that will align with that end goal?
amazing.
If it does not, first of all, that shouldn't come up only कि मुझे abroad जाना है, क्योंकि अगर it's not adding value to that end goal, no use, right? Why invest the dollars and go through so much inconvenience, stay away from your parents for so long, ये सब वो सब, go through loneliness and so much more other issues, right? Just क्योंकि लोग कहते हैं कि कनाडा जाओ, better education है या better future opportunities हैं. It's not the same thing. इंडिया में भी पहले लोग कहते थे बॉम्बे is the city of dreams, right? पर काफी लोग के ड्रीम्स तो मर रही हैं उधर, राइट? सो आई थिंक लाइक टुडे सक्सेस हैज बिकम वेरी फ्लेक्सिबल. एनीवन, एनीवेयर, no matter what background, context, color of your skin, accent you come from, you can be successful. Your location does not matter, your geographical anything does not matter.
आपने एक चीज बोली,
हाँ,
एजुकेशन अगर अच्छी है,
हाँ.
क्या एजुकेशन वाकई अच्छी है
कनाडा में आप पूछ रहे हो?
कहीं भी?
नहीं,
Worldwide?
education overall is faulty. I'm so against the idea of education right now, right?
So what is your idea of education?
Education is where you're learning. Learning does not quantify with me getting a certain grade out of 100, right? क्योंकि वो तो मैं रट्टा मार के भी सीख सकती हूँ, right? 10th grade में I got a 96%. But I honestly tell you, after my 10th board exam, if you picked up any textbook and you asked me, I knew nothing about it. Why? I did all ratta, right? But in everyone's eyes, I was the smartest person in my class because I got 96%, right? That's the day I realized, oh, this is all just surface level things. So उस दिन से, after my 10th board exam, when I was the topper in my class, I stopped getting so focused on grades because मुझे realize हो, education is not about reading a textbook. Education is about learning skill sets that apply every single day. We teach students today about algebra, like trigonometry and this and that, which they're not using every day, right? इसलिए आप देखोगे, even in North America, if you go to high schools, you'll find students scrolling through TikTok while the class is going on. Why is it? Students have the capability, but उनको motivation ही नहीं है क्योंकि आप उन्हें ऐसी चीज पढ़ा रहे हो जो उनके लिए applicable ही नहीं है, right? Today, people want to be successful. A big part of being successful is making money. If you don't teach people how do you make money, people don't want to learn from you. As simple as that. Right?
Now I'll tell you. एक टाइम आया
हाँ.
जब लगा कि पैसा कहाँ है? पैसा है if you become engineer, doctor,
Yeah.
right?
पहले correct.
Right?
Yeah.
उसके बाद टाइम आया पैसा कहाँ है? In some other things.
Yes.
अब पैसा कहाँ है? Startups में फंडिंग उठाओ.
Yes.
Every person right now is doing startup. I'm not saying it's bad or
Yeah.
good.
Yeah.
पर एक वो है ना भेड़ चाल. It's just trend.
Yes.
वो बन गया है और उसके बाद people are just following it.
Yeah.
Instead of seeing कि उनका personal behavior क्या है.
Yeah.
Now someone can not be wishing to be a CEO maybe.
Yeah.
Maybe
Absolutely.
their character is not like a CEO.
Yeah.
Maybe they are a very good CA.
Yeah. नहीं, मेरा point वो है ना, आपको success is different for different people. There isn't one way of getting to success. Obviously, right? आप कहते बोलते ना, इंडिया में आप चपरासी रह कर भी CEO बन सकते हो in a way. You can start your own company. Like, you know how you said that person started cleaning initially himself.
Yeah.
Started a cleaning company of his own, right?
Mm-hmm.
So I think anyone can be successful today. That's what I meant by success has become so accessible to anyone.